we've got Cynful Chicken Caprese. We're going to start by taking our chicken breasts and cutting them in half lengthwise. And then we're going to season them with salt and pepper. Brush them with some olive oil. And then we're going to finish seasoning by using our Cynful Italian seasoning. Now we're going to the grill. We're going to pop these on the grill and we're going to cook them. They'll start to release and they'll have those wonderful grill marks. So, let them release before you turn them over. And they're going to look like this. I'm going to cook the other side. Same thing. Let it release. And then go ahead and pop that cheese on top and then a tomato on top of that. And once they're about 160 degrees internal temperature, about 3 to 5 minutes, go ahead and pull them off the grill. And we're going to cover them with some aluminum foil and let them rest for about 10 minutes. But while we're letting them rest, we're going to go ahead and chiffonade our basil. So take your basil and the leaves and stack them, and then roll them into a little cigar. And then we're going to cut across really thin across that cigar. So you're going to get these beautiful, really thin strips of basil. Now the ones over here on the side, those are for garnish, but that's what the basil should look like. You'll see those on the plate here in a minute. So look, you see them on the plate? So we're going to put that basil chiffonade on top of those tomatoes and chicken and all that. And then we're going to drizzle it with some balsamic vinegar. Now, I'm using a 4-leaf aged balsamic, so I don't have to do a reduction, but I've given you the instructions on how to do a reduction. So that's all there is to it. Really simple. Cynful Chicken Caprese. Now, I will have a link to a printable recipe in the video description as soon as YouTube lets me do it. But here's your recipe anyway, and I'll put the recipe in the description. I want to thank y'all for joining me in my kitchen today for some chicken caprese. Please like and subscribe, and as always, have an awesome day.